Today on the menu is mojarra fish. Now this is more for Chris than me because I am not as big of a fan of fish as she is, but she loves fish. There's, I don't know, 4 in there I think her mom gave us. We're gonna cook those. But first, I'll take you outside real quick, show you what I've got going on. Because Chris is out here, I think, keeping an eye on things. And I'll show you what else is getting cooked. Yep, there's Chris. So I've already got some, yeah, don't burn yourself. Look at that. Got the French fries going. And then I think we're gonna cook one of the fish here on the grill, and they're gonna fry the other ones. Yeah. So, but we're gonna do it all outside. So that is gonna be, what's up, Leia? No. Nobody else has come out here yet. All right, I gotta flip these. Oh, no lie, I'm starting to get really addicted to these Campfire French fries because I'm telling you, these things are the bomb. Can't wait. All right, guys, next up, we've got the grill. We just took the fries off, so this is nice and seasoned. Need some butter on there. And then, slap that right down. And then we're gonna cover it to cook it. Yeah, get that top on there. All right, folks, it is time to turn. We're gonna go over and take that off. Get this hooked up. Look at that. Nicely browned. It's gonna be good. Go ahead and cover it again. All right, time to take this off, take it inside. We got our fish. Oh yeah. And get it off in one big piece. No, come here, Hedge. All right, yeah, that's good enough. All right, I gotta take that out and let it cool, and we're gonna get some more fish out because Chris has her 3 to cook next. I'm back in the kitchen. We got our French fries there. Chris is putting salt on her. You almost put your fingers back in the salt container. I saw it.
Yeah. This is for me.
These 2 are for the cats.
Yes.
So only salt, no spices.
No spice.
This is for Christina.
Yeah, and this is for the cats.
Okay. So 3 little ones for the cats.
And 2 for me.
1 for me and 1 for Chris. And then the French fries. Okay, 2 for Chris, because I'll only eat half of mine.
I love fish.
Yeah, she does. Are you a fish
and
girl?
This is for my salsa. I need to put this in the parrilla. Vamos.
¿Va a dejar tuyo? Yes. Oh, by the way, guys, Lucas is a fanatic of fish. Like, he hardly ever begs. I don't think he actually does. He never begs for food. And he is begging for the fish because he loves fish. Do you want butter, Chris, or are you just going to put them down?
Yes, I need butter.
Okay, I got to go get butter. I'll be right back. All right, I came back with the butter. All right, getting that butter on there.
Yeah.
Mostly just to keep it from sticking to the pan.
Yeah.
Luke is
And
going crazy.
This is for Lucas. I know, Lucas. I need one more.
Oh, you got the one in the corner?
I need this, but I need to cook.
Oh, okay, I see. She's got to cut the slits in it. So she's talking about how she likes this.
Yeah.
You just like fish.
I love. And Lucas too.
Lucas loves fish too. He is inside right now because he's waiting for us to hurry up and finish.
Yeah, almost Lucas.
Almost ready. I totally started eating and forgot that I was supposed to record a little bit. So, I've got my fish here. Fries here. Getting into the fish here. This is Mojarra Frita. I'm gonna peel that back right there. Look at all that meat. You can come in here with your fingers if you want, which is what I'm doing. Ain't nobody got time to get forks and knives, and we've got fish, we've got taters. I better go give Chris a tater. Hey! Already got a kitty cat up here. Yeah, Mary almost got my fish. Mary, come here. Here, I was gonna come give you a French fry for the video. Oh, you're flipping your... She's flipping her fish. Here, have a bite. I gotta go check the fish because Mary was robbing stuff. So, chops are being licked because they may or may not have gotten a piece of fish. And you're still crying. What's up? He's like, please give me fish. He already had a little bite, but he wants more. And then you guys can see Chris is outside, still cooking. Frodo, stop crying. Oh, I'm so hungry, I'm gonna die. This is what we have to deal with every time we cook, because he does this. And if you're not watching, he will jump from here all the way over to here while you're standing here cooking and stuff, and he will jump on your shoulder if you're not watching him. Yeah. This is what I was trying to warn of. I'm literally washing my hands, and he jumped on my shoulder. Yeah, he thinks he's gonna get some special treats. Look at his eyes, look at his head, watching that soup bowl, fish bowl. You get down, buddy. Crazy. So she's getting ready to take her tomato and chili off. What are these for?
For my salsa.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, time to go make some salsa.
Yeah.
So what she's doing here, this is a very simple way to make salsa when you don't have a
Molcajete.
molcajete. Just take a bowl and smash it in there with a candy jar or something. It's literally probably a McCormick's jam jar.
Yes.
This is how you do things.
Yes.
Redneck Mexican style.
Sorry.
All right, so Chris is ready to start taking stuff off.
Yeah.
Look at those.
This is for the...
Those are for the ones at the ends are for the babies, yeah.
Yeah, cat. The smaller.
Mm-hmm.
For the cat.
The big one in the middle is for Christina. She's like, that's mine.
Yes.
Not gonna burn your hand? You want another plate?
I need another plate.
Okay, she's gonna go get another plate. You good boy, Frodo. Yeah, you out here while we're cooking? Yeah. Do you know who else is out here? I saw Lucas over here. Lucas is right there. We zoom in. Looks like he's with Mary. They had some fish a few minutes ago, so they're kind of calmed down for the moment. All right, we're just taking the last two pieces off. I think we'll get another bowl. Are you doing the tortillas out here?
Yes.
Okay.
Why not?
All right. Go. We'll have to edit that out. 3, 2, 1. All right, time to get our tortillas cooked. Well, Christina's tortillas. I have hot French fries. You hear the cats behind us?
He's crying.
That's Frodo crying because we put the fish in the oven.
Yeah.
So that he couldn't get onto it, and he's like, "It's for me." Oh, my teapot's going. I'll let you finish cooking those.
I finished.
All right, those tortillas are looking pretty good.
Yes.
Time to take them off.
Already.
God,
Yeah.
you're totally Mexican because you're doing it with your bare fingers.
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Easy. Yeah.
All right, time to eat. All right, time to take some of that salsa she made earlier. There goes Frodo up on my shoulder. Here, I'll turn the camera so you guys can. This is what I've been talking. Look at that. Look at that. He's just watching. Look at his paw. He's like, what do you have? He's really bad about this. All right, back to the salsa.
Yeah.
Oh, relax, Frodo. I'm gonna have to put you outside, aren't I? And shut the door.
Just put lemon.
Lemon?
Yes, lemon.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
It's chaos here. Don't be upset with us for the mess. Oh, and she has beans too, refried beans.
Yes.
And a tortilla.
Just because I love beans too. Let's try this.
Oh, I'm gonna have to put you down, buddy.
Frodo, wait for your turn.
He doesn't want to wait for his turn.
Yes, Frodo.
Here, I'll turn the camera with you. I'm literally having to hold him in place right now because he's like, there's a taco.
You need to wait, Frodo.
Look at his little paw. Come on, I want some. Hang on, I gotta put Frodo down. Here, guys. He'll jump on Chris next, but I'll have to help.
Cebollita.
This is what I'm... Hang on. All right, so what did you put in it? I didn't see.
Salsa and this
Tomato.
salt. Yeah. Yeah.
Provecho. Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you happy? I can't. This kid, you can't make this up. You cannot make this shit up, guys. Here, I'll even turn around so you can see. There's Christina eating her tacos.
Yeah, bro.
And he's going crazy for fish.
Yes, relax, bro.
Here, buddy, hop down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is life with 7 rescue cats on your homestead in Mexico. Every time we make fish, they're okay with chicken. They don't do this bad for chicken.
Yeah.
But fish, they are absolutely obsessed with fish. Chris was you guys saw it early in the video, Lucas was just nonstop crying. By the way, he's trying so hard to get past me. He's like, I want mommy's tacos.
Yes, yours is hot.
Yeah, you gotta wait for yours, buddy.
Okay.
All right, anyway, everybody, that's lunch. Actually, this is dinner today, but this is mojarra frito con salsa roja de tomate y habanero y frijoles refritos con tortillas calientes y cebollas. También hay papas de francés, pero those are just for me, because Chris is not a big French fry fan like I am.
No.
Not with fish. With hamburgers, yes.
Yeah.
All right. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Oh.
Thumbs up. Chris loves fish. Like, subscribe, bell icon, everybody. See you in the next video.